So in this video, we're going to be looking at finding percent of a number for weird percents. And what we mean by weird percents are the ones where they don't end in a 0 or a 5. So it's not like 20%, it's not 15%, it's nothing like that. This is more like a real percentage that we see in real life, such as sales tax, tipping. If there's a party at a table at a restaurant of like 8 or more, they charge like 18% tip and all that kind of stuff. So we consider those kind of weird ones because I can't just go to my 10% and figure it out from there. So the steps to do it: we find the unit rate. All right, this is something that they've already done so many times. The unit rate, it means find 1%. Okay, because when I find 1%, I can multiply that by anything and get my percentage, which is step 2. Multiply by the number of the percent you are trying to find. For example, 6%. So let's just do this problem here. We'll zoom in. There we go. It says, what is 6% of 200? So from our last videos, we learned that the word of, the thing following it, is my 100%. So we're going to make this line right here a number line. All right. And over here at my 100%, it is my 200. All right. And of course, all the way on the other side, it's always good to have a 0% there. And 0% of anything is 0. I want to find 6% eventually. I have no clue how to get from 100 down to 6 though. So I am going to find 1%. Alright, a trick for this to figure out 1%. Alright, well, how do I get from 100 to 1? I divide by 100. There is a quick shortcut. Take this number. The decimal point is always at the end of 200. Move it twice to the left. 1, 2, and that's going to be my 1%. It ends up being just the number 2. There we go. Alright, so 1% of 200 is 2, so that means 6% multiplied by 6. 2 times 6 is 12. So 6% is 12 there. My next problem, it says, what is 83% of 500? Well, once again, make it a number line. 100% of 500. Of means the total. Alright, let's put our 0% and a 0, and we're going to add our 1% there. Decimals at the end. 1, 2, and it becomes a 5. Okay? From there, I want to get to 83%. 83%. Well, 1 times 83, I'll now have to do 5 times 83. And I'll just go to the side over here. 83 times 5. And 5 times 3 is 15. 8 times 5 is 40. Plus 1 is 41. So I get 415 is 83% of 500.